Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install the TokenPocket app. Start by opening the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar. Next, type TokenPocket. Tap on search. This is the app that we're going to be downloading. Tap on it, then tap on Install. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection during the installation process. Let it begin to download now. When the download is finished, tap Open. To use the app, you can now log in or register. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.